Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Chapter 20 patterns. Pattern means you will be see pattern means like this. If we are writing 2, 4, then that will become 6, and then next is 8, and then pattern, many more pattern will be here. So generate the square and triangle pattern with the help of 36 dots. 36 dots. So that is a 36. So first of all, we will generate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we will fill the that is a net of square. And then triangle. So 12 3 so that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is a 12. So that is a net of. And then we will fill the whole box. Just wait. We will distance make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then we will fill the box. So that will be 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That is a net of. And when you will be count the whole dots, that will be 36. That is second question now. Find 3 square number which are greater than 100. Greater than 100. So that is a 11 multiply 11. That is a 121. Next is 12 multiply 12. That is 144. Next is 13 multiply 13. That is 169. Because 10 100 means that is a 100 means 100 is equal to that is a 10 multiply 10. 10 10 is a 100. So we have written after 10 11 12 13. Question number 3. Find the square number lie between 85 and 198. 198. So that is a after 85 that is a 10 into 10 is equal to 100. Before that 9 into 9 that will be 81. 81 is less than 85, so we can't take 9. And then 11 into 11 is equal to 121. 12 is into 12 is equal to that is 144. 13 is equal to 13 is equal to 13 multiplied 13 is equal to 169. And then 1 up to 198 we will write. So 14 into 14 is equal to 196. Then 15 multiply 15 is equal to 225. That is a greater than 198. So we will not write that one. We will leave here. Fourth question. What is the next triangular number? 36, 45, 55. So that you are looking here very simple. That is 36, then plus 9, then plus 10, and then that will be plus 11. So that will be 66. Means every time one number is increasing by the order. Fifth question. find the square number just before 256. Just before 256. So that will be 256. 15 15 ja. 15 15 ja 225. So that number is 256. So we can see the 16 into 16. 16 into 16 2. That is a 56. So we need 2 just before that one. So that will be a right answer. So that will be right. 256 is equal to 16 into 16. So just before number is, that is a 15. And then in a series of square number, find the square number just before. Just before 6, first part, 289 is equal to 17 into 17. So just before number is 16. So 16 is equal to 256. That second is 529. 529. 529. So that will be just before, that will be 24 into 24. 24 into 24 is equal to, that is a 4 4 ja 16. And then 4 2 ja 8, 4 2 ja 8, 8 16 1 17. 4 4 ja 16. That 4 2 ja 8, 4 2 ja 8. Multiply we can write here, 24 multiply 24. That will be 4 4 ja 16, 4 2 ja 8 1 9, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 6 7 5. That is 576. That is a wrong. That will be wrong. We will write here 20. That will be first. First of all, we will see that 23 into 23. 3 3 ja 9. No carry there. 3 2 ja 6. 3 2 ja 6. 6 6 12. 2 2 2 ja 1 4. Yes. So just before number, that will be 22 into 22 is equal to, that will be 484. Seventh question. What smallest number should be added in 71 to make it is a square? To make it is a square. So seventh question, that is a number is 71. So 71. If we will add 10, that will be 81, or 81 is equal to 9 into 9. So we will add in 71 is equal to 10. Next exercise, that express the following sequence number as the sum of odd number. So that first question 20.2 exercise, that is our first part 25. So that 25 we can write like this: 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus, that is 7 plus 9. When you will be add these number, must become this one. Second part, why we have written up to 9? 5 have your 25. So that is a 1 2 3 4 5 time we will write here. And then 36. So that will be 6 6 ja 36. So we will write 6 time. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. And then third part, similarly 121. 121 means 11 11 ja. So we will write 11 time. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then 17 plus 19 plus 21. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. When you will be add these whole number, that will become 121. Fourth, 144. 144 means 12 time. 12 12 is 144. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21 plus 23. Means every time we have written odd number. 64. 64, that is 8 is 64, 8 time 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 plus 15. 6 part 100, that means 10 time. 100 means that will be 10 time. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 time is that. And then question number 2, you will see question number 2, without actual adding, find the following sums. So that is 2 first part. So that is written 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. So that number is 7 times. So 7 multiplies 7 is equal to 49. Without actual adding. So that will be right answer. And then that one given, that is 10 times. That is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 time is given. So 10 into 10 is equal to 100. That will be the answer. Using the pattern, so that difference between the two consecutive square number will be always be an odd number. Consecutive square number. So that will be third question like this, 4 minus 1. Both are the square number, that will be 3. And then next square number is 9. 9 minus 4, that will be 5. And then next square number is 9, then 16. 16 minus 9, that will be 7. And then next number is 25. 25 minus 16 is equal to, that will be 4, 5, 9. So you are looking, all the number are coming odd. By observing the following pattern, generate the next 3 numbers, 3 lines of numbers, 4 into 4, that means we have written 4 times, 5 into 5 we have written 5 times, so that 6 into 6. Fourth question, first part, 6 into 6 is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So that 7 also will, 3 blank place is there, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. And then 8 into 8 is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15. And the second part pattern is that first number is a square number and then next number is a consecutive odd number. So that next will become 36 plus 13, that will be 6, 3, 9, 49. And then next 14, 9 plus next is 15, 5, 4, 64. And then 64 plus next number is 17, 7, 4, 11, and then 6, 7, 8. So these are the perfect square numbers. And then we have subtract this one, 81, 17, and then we will 36. Third part, that we will write 36 minus, before the 13 odd number is 11, so that is 25. So 25 minus, that is 9, is equal to, this will be 16, and then 16 minus that 7, that will be, that will be 9. And next exercise, I think that is the last exercise, yes. Generate Generate a different pattern of border and tiles by using the following letters. So that is the first question. And then first part, A. A we can write in a many way. That is a A. And then this one also can be A. And then this one also can be A from that side. And this one also can be A. This is the generate of net. Like this T also. T also. So that T. So T like this T, like this T, like this T, like this T. And then R. Third part is R. So that R like this R, or we can write from there R, and then that one also R can be that, or inside will be go. Inside will be go, and then this one also can be R. And then S. S also. So S, 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 S. Like this. And then M. M will be M, 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 M. That is next is X. X, X. That will be X. This will be X. This will be X. And nothing will be changed here because that is a X. Y. Y, that will be Y. That will be Y. That will be Y. That will be also Y. When you will turn your notebook, then you can write easily. After turning notebook, you will be write easily. And then like this, see the O. 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 Because this has a infinitely many type of many symmetries are here. Infinitely many symmetries are here. And then question number 2. Question number 2. Generate the 3 different tiles pattern using square. Different tile pattern. So if we are taking the square, so there will be no reflection, will be same reflection will be come. Same reflection will become in another form also. Another form also. That will be when you will be write anytime that square will be not changed. Triangle. Triangle. So that can be changed. Triangle. Triangle. So triangle can be changed. That will be first of all that triangle. This is the first translation. And then reflection. That reflection will be like this. Reflection. And then that will be rotation. That is, and then rotation will be like this. Rotation will be like this. This is the second part. Third part. And then line. So line can't be changed. And then 4. This is the translative. And then reflection will be also same. And then rotational will be changed. Like this will be changed, rotational. And then question number 3. Generate 2 border pattern of letter B using reflection. Reflection. So that will be reflection will be like this. First B we will write like this, and another B, that is a reflection pattern. Okay, this is the whole chapter.